Okay, Assalamu alaikum teachers. So some of the teachers were facing the problem that the video is only visible to the students but it is not audible. For that you have to make sure that your video is already open in your Chrome tab, and once it is already open, whether it is YouTube or any other platform, just make sure that it is open. So once it is open, you can share your screen and you have to select Chrome tab from here, and then you have to select the tab in which the video is open. So I have selected this first tab, and then I'm going to click on the share icon. Okay, so now my screen is being shared, but on this screen obviously I cannot control it. This is just for annotating here. See, I can annotate in different colors, line shapes, sticky notes, whatever it is. But if I want to run this video, I want to play this video, I can go back here to the other tab. This window will be minimized over here. Okay, now from here I can control it. I'll maximize the screen and I can play it here.
Statistics, basic concepts. Surveys. A survey is a series of questions that serve to gather information or opinions on a particular subject. You might have taken one before. People's answers are then turned into data which can be analyzed by the company or organization. Surveys can be filled out by hand, given over the phone, or answered online.
You can drag it anywhere.
In terms of their structure, the title usually appears at the top. This is followed by the introduction or objective, which explains the goals or purpose of the survey. Then there are the questions.
Going back to my window. Okay. Second thing that the teachers were having a problem with was that they are not able to share the PowerPoint presentation, although it is already open, but it is not running in the background, or they are not able to share it. So for that, what you are supposed to do is make sure that it is already maximized and it is already open in the taskbar like this. So I have opened it now. I'm not going to minimize it. So now I'm going to open my Google Meet application or this window, and then from here I'm going to click on the share screen, and then now I'm going to select the window option. You'll see all the tabs or the applications that I've opened already in the taskbar are appearing here, and I can click on any one of that to share it. So now, since I want to share my PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to select that and I'm going to click on the share option. Okay, so this is my presentation window now. Okay, I'm going to click here on the slideshow. Okay, see, it is already there. Now I can drag it anywhere on my screen. The smaller tab, I can drag it anywhere, and if I want annotation, I can just do it from this PowerPoint presentation directly. The laser pointer is already there. Then we have pen if you want to write anything or just draw something, especially for Urdu and Arabic if you want to write anything on the screen. And then a highlighter is there if you want to highlight any specific word, or if you want to erase everything, the eraser is also there, and you can also control the colors as well. So this is how you can do the editing in your PowerPoint presentation live. Okay, so next, that's it. You can control it from here. It would be much easier if you select it from window. Okay, the third option is entire screen. Okay, once you select this entire screen, everything that you are doing on your laptop, on your device, would be visible on the other end. So make sure only those tabs are open or maximized which you want to share with your students. So entire screen is best when you want to switch between different applications, or when you want to share or open different documents or different application or pages in the same class. So let me show how it will work. So I'm going to select the only tab that is visible, and I'm going to click here on share. Okay, if I want the students to annotate this on the same screen, obviously I can maximize and they'll start scribbling here. So if I want to open the other tab, this is my presentation tab. If I want to share that directly from here, I can share it and then I can minimize and continue with my other tabs. See, I can also open my videos, my pictures, and everything I do would be visible to the students. My entire screen would be visible to the students. So whatever I do on my screen, that would be visible to everyone. So if I want to share any document, I can do it here. If I want to like open this Explorer, I can go here, and anything, like you can share anything. When you are sharing your entire screen option, you can share anything with your students. So make sure only the tabs which you want to share with your student, which you want the students can see. So only those are open. Okay. So that's it. I hope it is clear now. So if you still have any query, just feel free to ask. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye.